If your Chrome new tab search icon looks wrong, blurry, broken, or it's showing the wrong logo, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We're going to cover 3 simple methods: setting Google as your default search engine, changing your Chrome theme so the icon displays properly, and clearing your cache if the icon is missing or broken. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's fix the most common issue, which is Chrome showing the wrong search icon because the default search engine was changed. This can happen if a third-party program changes your browser settings and suddenly your new tab search icon might show Yahoo, Bing, or something else instead of Google. To change that, open Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu, click Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click Search Engine. On this page, look for the change button next to the search engine setting. Click that and then select Google from the list. Once Google is selected, click Set as default. This should immediately update your browser so the search icon matches Google again. Now, if the icon is not wrong, but it looks blurry, hard to see, or just the wrong color, the next thing to try is changing your Chrome theme or background. Chrome often adjusts the icon color based on the theme you use, so a different layout can force the icon to appear more clearly. Start by opening a new tab page. Then, in the bottom right corner, click the Customize Chrome button, which looks like a pencil icon. Once the customization panel opens, go to the card or theme section. Here, choose either a solid color or a background image. After you pick a new theme, Chrome will automatically recolor the search icon so it contrasts better with the background. This is a really useful fix if the icon is technically there, but it's just too faint or difficult to see. If the icon is actually broken, missing, or showing up like a blank square or broken image, then the problem may be caused by cached files. In that case, you'll want to clear your browser cache. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press CMD, Shift, and Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time so Chrome clears everything that might be causing the issue. Then check the box for cached images and files. If you want, you can leave history and cookies unchecked so you only remove the cache. After that, click Delete Data. Once it finishes, relaunch Chrome and open a new tab again. In many cases, this will instantly fix the broken or missing search icon. So to recap, if your Chrome new tab search icon is not showing correctly, first make sure Google is set as the default search engine. If the icon is the wrong color or hard to see, change your theme or background in Customize Chrome. And if the icon is broken or missing entirely, clear your cached images and files and restart the browser. One of these 3 methods usually solves the problem quickly. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser and computer fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.